We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox Rewind to recover older versions of your files or folders. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website and sign in with your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand side menu and click on Files. From there, locate the file or folder you want to rewind. Hover over it and you'll see a small clock icon labeled Rewind this folder or Rewind this file that appears next to it. Click that icon to open the Rewind feature. A timeline will pop up showing you a visual history of changes made to your item. You can drag the slider along this timeline to the point in time you wish to restore to. If you want more precision, use the arrow buttons or the date picker to specify the exact time. When you find the right point, click Rewind. Dropbox will then restore the file or folder to that specific state. This is especially useful if you accidentally deleted important content or need to undo recent changes. Keep in mind that Dropbox Rewind works best with folders because it restores everything within them. If you only want to rewind a single file, be sure you're selecting that file specifically. Remember, you can only rewind changes made within the last 30 days if you're on a basic or plus plan. For longer histories, you'll need a professional or business plan. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.